Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I want to show you through a 2020 Nautique Super Air G21 that we just got in. There were a couple little changes I'll show you for this year that I really liked. Also, this is one of the boats that has 2 times wake surf and 3 times wakeboard boat of the year. Awesome boat for all around water sports and plenty of room. Bring all your friends out. You've got space and seating for 14 people on this boat. This is a coastal edition as well, so ready for the saltwater if you're here down in southern Florida. Looking at the rear here real quick, we've got our Nautique surf system on both sides of the boat, as well as the NCRS surf tab, so you can really dial in the shape of the wake that works well for you. Starting at the stern here, these little seats are new for 2020 on the G series. They used to be standard on the GS and still are, but now they have come over to the G line. As you can see on the boat next to it here, that does not have the rear seats. That's one of our remaining 2019 models. Walking through, lots of different seat setups depending on how many people you have on the boat. We have a backrest that flips up here on the port side, or that can be laid down into a full sun lounger. At the aft, we've got a seat that slides forward on the tracks to turn into a double bench facing aft. Right now it is set up to be facing forward. Removable backrest behind the captain's chair. And if you notice on the captain's chair, they've got a nice cutout here on the side, and they've really designed that to be user-friendly for the driver, so it's easier to turn around and keep an eye on your people that you're towing. As with all the Nautiques here, we've got the multi-touch display that does a touchscreen as well as a rotary dial control, so that you don't have to move your hand far from the throttle and reach forward to control everything from the surf system to the ballast tanks, the stereo. Pretty much anything that you want to do on the boat can be controlled right from there. Up front, we have a nice big sun pad here. This one comes with the optional bow filler cushion, as well as a air dam block, so you can block out the wind on those cooler days and prevent the air from flowing through the boat quite as fast. And finally, up here under the seat, we've got a nice storage area that also gives you access to your garbage can with a little door, so we don't have to make people move around to throw stuff away. And you can see we also have subwoofer and amplifier up there. This boat has awesome JL audio sound system, speakers throughout, you can see here, as well as speakers up here on the tower. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or any of the other Nautiques that you see here, we've got a great selection. Bring your board and your friends and come on down and see how this thing actually performs out in the water. My information is right there at the bottom of the screen. Call, text, or email anytime. Thanks.